Hello world, I'm Akram Mohammed Sheikh and this is my CS50 Final Project, CSC-CLI, Computer Science with C. Let me show you a quick demo of the program. Let's run Python on main.py. Okay, CSC-CLI is a simple terminal-based C programming tutor powered by Groq's ultra-fast LLM API. The application loads the C tutor system prompt and connects to the Groq model as displayed over here. The program accepts three commands: help, clear, and exit. Clear allows to clear the screen but keep the session running. Exit exits the program, otherwise we can continue exploring C concepts. Let's clear the screen but keep the session running. Let's ask a question, say how to define a function, right? As you can see, the architecture that I have used for this program is as follows. The entire program is built in Python. It uses the rich library for rendering the interface with Markdown for regular text and along with syntax highlighting for C code, as you can see. .env for secure configuration, a custom prompt manager module for conversation memory, and an asynchronous Groq client that streams low latency, ultra fast responses without blocking the terminal, right? As you can see, you can explore the response. You can ask a couple of more questions like what is segfault? And then again, you can explore more concepts in C. All right. This program is dedicated for C programming tutor. So any deviation from C in terms of its input to the program, the tutor will encourage you to get back to C programming questions. All right. That's pretty much it. Let's exit the program. Goodbye on this. A big thank you to Professor David Mellon and the entire team of CS50. This is CS50.